Hi, my name is Olivia and this is my trip to Croatia. In today's video, I'll take you on an exciting speedboat tour from ZADAR to explore some beautiful spots on the nearby islands. Hello from day 2 in Croatia. Today we decided to go on a half-day boat tour. The options were quite limited because we booked it very last minute, a few hours in advance, so all the full day tours were not available anymore. We also wanted to have a more relaxed day rather than a full 8-hour day tour. So we're happy with the choice. Now we're heading towards breakfast. Our tour is at 2 p.m. so there's plenty of time to relax and have, actually it's brunch, not breakfast. And then we're gonna see what we get. As I said, the options were limited. Some tours might have been already fully booked. This is a speedboat tour, which is really not ideal because I get seasick and I had horrible experiences with speedboats so far, but maybe this time it's gonna be different. So much busier than yesterday. We have come for breakfast at Coffee and Cake. Seems like we got 2 restaurants in ZADAR and it seems really nice. They have brunchy stuff like avocado toast and oat lattes and things like that, which we do love on a trip. And we just ordered. And we got, how long have we got till the tour? We got 2 hours till our tour. Hopefully I can find some medicine for seasickness as well, because I'd rather not have any surprises. This looks absolutely amazing. And this one as well. So exciting. So I was offered this medicine for my seasickness. Hopefully it's gonna do something because, as I said, my last experience was absolutely horrible. We are back at the orange juice place from yesterday. We love the juice, it's really refreshing and great before the boat trip. This is orange, apple and carrot, and it's fresh and it's so good. I thought it was like a pot with something. This part is lovely and there's nobody around. This is so nice and we're only a few people. Great choice, honestly. I don't know if you can hear me. We booked this specific 4-hour tour through TripAdvisor, which included 3 stops: Coastline, Preko and Ugljan. Our first stop was Coastline, a picturesque bay on the island of Ugljan, perfect to enjoy the crystal clear waters. This really is a speedboat. And my pills seem to be working. Jumping in water.
You'll be fine, just come. You're holding people up, come on. That's it, just let yourself go. You didn't let go. You're fine, come on.
Oh my god. I'm not confident jumping in the water while like swimming.
Yeah.
You know, I never learned how to swim. I just kind of go by moving my hands.
Well, and you've got my thing, right? Yeah.
Yes, I do have
If
this.
you get this way, it's going to get shallow, so you'll be able to
Yay.
stand. Can you stand yet? No, not yet. Okay.
Do you really think we're the same height. I have contact lenses, so water should not get into
I'm recording you this whole time. Okay, now I can.
Ah, finally I can. This is very rocky, but I can actually stand on something. Oh, this is lovely. Look how clear the water is. And that is our boat. Spot. I'm so happy we picked this tour. We are only 5 people on the boat, so there's plenty of space. It's so comfortable as well. And look at this beautiful first stop. We stopped here to swim and do some snorkeling. Although I don't know if you can see that much. Can you see a lot? Snorkeling, probably not the best spot.
Yeah, you can see a few things.
And it's absolutely lovely here. I'm really happy with our choice of tour. We have now arrived at our second stop, and look at this. We got 1 hour and 25 minutes, and we would like to grab something to eat as well. There's supposed to be a really nice sandy beach, and there's also a small island with a monastery. We kind of need to choose what we want to do, and we're not sure which one is worth it more than the others. So for now we're gonna have a look around to see the sandy beach. So maybe we'll grab something to eat and then we'll see what time we have left. This is a sandy beach, and this is right there the island. It's got a monastery. You need to either take a boat to cross or swim. So we might do that. We might swim to the island. This is absolutely beautiful. And now we're gonna try to find a restaurant with a nice view. Ah, this is lovely. I'm so happy with this tour. Normally I'm not too excited about group tours because you don't get enough time to enjoy everything. You never know what you're getting, especially if there are many people. It's just such a great tour. We're now taking the boat and we're gonna cross this way to visit the monastery on a small island. I decided to take the boat because I didn't want to visit the island in my swimsuit. Oh, this is so lovely. This island that you see here is called Preko, and this small island where I am now is called Gelvak. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is how you spell it. I have no idea how to pronounce the Croatian names. now walking around the monastery. It's a beautiful walk. You can see the neighboring islands, the blue water. There's this great smell of what I think are pine trees. And I don't have enough time to actually visit the monastery. I don't even know if it's possible to visit it, but I decided to just walk around and enjoy the beautiful scenery. And now I'm heading back to the boat, taking me to my other boat. And then we have one more stop for the day. I'm really curious what that is. Maybe I'll go for another swim, really depending on what there is to do. There's a lot to explore on these small islands, and we are only on a short city break, so I would definitely love to come back and explore some more. Look how beautiful this is. Like this, just on this island, and then there's another island behind this one. There's really a lot to explore. Probably all these tiny villages are interesting to see, and they have beaches, and you can have some nice seafood and everything. I think there are island hopping tours that take longer, and you get to see these villages, towns, I don't know what to call them. And yeah, we definitely need to come back and explore some more. We're now on our third island, and we opted for a short hike, and we're gonna have a 360-degree view of the neighboring islands, I assume. We are wearing flip-flops and sandals, which is probably not the best option for this hike, but it shouldn't be too difficult. And then we'll probably relax at the beach bar, and that'll be the end of the tour. Not exactly sandals appropriate and flip-flops, but we'll try and make the best of it. Definitely not sandal friendly. Wearing these, but it was really worth it. Ah, this is beautiful. We are ending our tour at this lovely beach bar. Hope you can see the view behind me. What a lovely spot to end today's video and to also end my journey to ZADAR. This was a lovely trip. Unfortunately, it was just a short city break, so tomorrow I'm going back home, And this was a lovely trip. We spent one day visiting the city center and doing more cultural stuff, and then today we had the boat tour and we got to enjoy the beaches, the sea and the lovely islands. And even though it was a short trip, I think we got to do quite a lot of things. I would definitely come back to do more of the day trips. And this brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!